Mix, mix, mix and shake, shake, shake.
My slime is sunny. I'm bored. New Year is coming, but we don't ready. We don't have Christmas tree.
Hi girls, look what I have.
Wow, cool! Christmas trees!
So, let's decorate.
But we don't have Christmas decoration.
What? Where are they?
Have you forgotten? You have broken all of it.
You are right. What should we do now?
Let's decorate Christmas tree with slimes.
We will do Christmas slimes! Yeah! First we need glue. Let's take it more.
Let's color our slime. Mix, mix, mix. Look what color I get.
What a cool color you have.
Wow!
I think you have forgotten something to add.
Oh.
Shake it hardly.
Mix, mix, mix and shake, shake, shake.
My slime is sunny.
And now let's shake it. Wow, it's very creamy.
Oh, what's slimy?
It looks like marshmallow.
Yellow marshmallow.
Guys, I think it's time to decorate your Christmas trees.
And now I am decorating Christmas tree.
Oh, it looks like snowballs.
Oh, I've never seen such decorating.
Oh, this decoration is very unusual.
Now let's choose our decoration. Let's see.
Glitter blue.
Oh, is blue glitter. Super!
Oh, it's very sparkle.
Now my turn. What's this? Wow! Pom-poms!
Cool, it's like snow.
Oh, look! What's next?
Christmas trees.
Oh, it's very fun. Good job, Nadia.
Let's see what's next.
Oh, snow bubbles. I like it. I feel like really Santa. Super! Wow, great! What's next?
Pink glitter.
Cool!
It's shining brightly.
Color snowflakes.
You take it.
Oh, look at it.
Finally you have color.
Oh, well done.
It's hearts. Hearts.
It's so shiny.
So, what do you choose?
I have white snowflakes.
Eyes.
I wanna eyes too. My trees is totally
Okay,
white.
I give it to you.
And I give it too. My Christmas tree is like real.
This Christmas tree is very special.
My Christmas tree is very cool.
So, you have finished?
Yes.
And we want to wish all of you Happy New Year and Merry Christmas!
Yes.
Yeah! Happy New Year! Bye bye!